Hi, Corey and Connie. It's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier, Connie. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you guys can start beating Salazar Roofing. If you type in roofing OKC, these guys show up right at the top. I'm going to show you how easy it would be to copy them and then beat them. And I know you're probably asking why I would even make you this video. It's simple. There's plenty of roofing contractors that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. And most people just take this information and do it themselves, which is awesome. Some people say, you know what, Devin, I like you. I don't have the time to do this. Can you do this for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off though, great job on the website. There's so many trust building factors here with like your testimonials, the pictures of yourself with customers, great images the whole way through, very strong font, very clean design, not a lot of stock images. Looks like it's almost all your images, lots of people. So you did an awesome job when it comes to the design of this website. So great job. Now what Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking your content is, or ranking your website, is all this content you can read right here, everything you can highlight. The average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content. You currently have right about that point. So great job. You're at 1371. By getting yourself to 1,500 words, you're going to give yourself a little bit more room to fit in what's called buyer intent keywords. I don't even think Salazar Roofing has 1,500. No, they're way low. So by getting yourself the 1,500 point, you're going to allow yourself to fit in what's called buyer intent keywords. A buyer intent keyword is just a phrase somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So I pulled up a couple of these keywords right here. You can feel free to just pause this video at any time and fit these into your content. So like roofing OKC, 350 people search that every month. Roofers OKC, 500 people search that every month. Roofing companies OKC, 400 people search that every month. So if you're number 1 for those 3 keywords, you'd be number 1 in front of 1,250 people in Oklahoma City who want to purchase roofing. Imagine how much money you would make every month showing up in number 1 in front of that many people. So you want to make sure you have those keywords inside of your content. If I go and I search roofers OKC, you don't see it there. Roofing OKC, you do have roofing OKC. Great job on that. So you are starting with that. Like I said, feel free to pause this video and fit all these in there because it'll help you rank. Google does care about like synonyms, semantics, stuff like that. One more thing too is you can also save your images as keywords. So Belter Roofing Construction OKC logo, it's good. You can do things like roofing OKC, which I guess you do have it in there. Let's see, what about this one? Belter Roofing Oklahoma, it's got your name, so that'll help you with branding. Okay, yeah, so good job. Same thing, like I said, with these keywords here, you can go down and fit these buyer intent keywords in and swap them out. You guys did a good job at least like saving your images as things that make sense. But yeah, just make sure you fit in these buyer intent keywords that I found here for you guys. All right, so that's my first tip as far as content. My next tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is really important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Like I said, though, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. Not all backlinks are created equal. You're going to get a lot more power if you have other roofing and construction and exterior companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool you use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't need to use it. There's plenty of free tools out there. Just Google backlink checker. You can see this information for free. It says you currently have 14 websites linking to you, while Salazar Roofing has 213 websites linking to them. This is one of the big reasons they're outranking you, but they've done all the hard work for you. If I were in your shoes, I would just copy them because if these 213 websites are good enough to rank them, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So I'd go one by one to each of these websites the exact same way they did and put a link on each website back to my own home page. And a lot of times really simple, like expertise, yellow pages, super pages. You just go here, you click get listed, sign up, join, create a free profile, and then in your free profile, put a link to your website. And that's simple. You've got a backlink. So it's really simple. It just takes some time. But if you copy their backlinks and you beat their content, their content here, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically here. But I got one last tip for you, and that's how to show up in the map section. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, your address, and your phone number inside of a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, kind of like, Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. So if I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories OKC Roofers was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch on top. If OKC Roofers was in like 150 directories, I put myself in at least 300. But that is all I have for you, Corey and Connie. I hope you all found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage with keywords like this inside of your content. Like I said, feel free to pause this video, put these keywords inside of that content. Then get the websites linking to the Salazar Roofing, the 213, and get them linking back to yourself. And then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than OKC roofers. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become #1 across the entire front page of Google. Now, you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. It's what many people do. If you decide to go this route, the less time you wait to get started, the less catching up you're going to have to do. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done, give me a call at any time. My phone number is 972-736-8808. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. But it was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Connie. I hope this video was helpful for you, Corey, and I hope you all have an awesome day. I'll see you later.